episode, we are going to talk about people's favorite hand burner. If this is something you love to watch, you love to know what I think about, then keep watching. Welcome back to another episode of Love or Trash, where I help you find Traremuta that you love. But in this episode, I'm not going to talk about Traremuta. I'm going to talk about a burner, which is the favorite hand burner. Watching me for the first time, thank you very much for clicking on this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. So let's just dive into the video without wasting your time. This is from a vendor on Instagram. I don't want to mention her name for some reasons best known to me. This is what the hand incense burner looks like. It was sealed when I purchased it. It was sealed. I opened the seal and I used it for some time. So I'm here to give you my honest review. So for those that don't know the hand incense burner, or for those that are seeing the hand incense burner for the first time, this is what the hand incense burner is. It is an innovation based on the traditions and customs of the Gulf region. Applying traditional bakhoor becomes easy and safe with the stylish portable DUKHOON. Okay, so it is a wireless high quality performance. Ceramic heating element does not impact the scent. Reaches same temperature as charcoal, that is the 400 to 450 degrees centigrade. Battery powered and includes a travel pouch. So let's see what's inside. As I told you, I've already opened it. So this is the travel pouch. It came with a travel pouch. It came with a tongue, that is the incense speaker. It came with this, the cover, I guess, with a charger, just the cable, does not have a charger head. Guys, when I said head, I remembered one joke I saw on TikTok. So dirty. So it also comes with this, the comb, I guess. And it comes with a container. Bismillah. It comes with a container where you can put your incense in. I don't even know the use of this container. It's too tiny. Yeah, maybe for traveling. Makes sense. So it also, like, this is the main G. This is the hand incense burner. The main G. That is all we have in the box. Okay, we have this little brush. I think it's for cleaning. So this is everything. It's really portable, and this is where you can insert your incense in. I've already added some incense because I've been using it. I just added this one today. So we are going to show you how it's done today. So I've already charged it. Guys, I like everything about this hand incense burner. I like the whole idea. It's a really cute idea, even though I really hate anything that has to do with burning incense electrically, because to me, I feel it reduces the reduces the quality of the actual scent of the incense. I don't know if you get what I mean. So that's why I don't use electric incense burners at all. I always use it the traditional way. I always use my charcoal. I always get this coal igniter to ignite my charcoal and use, because I feel I get the quality of my incense more using the charcoal. I don't like the scent incense gives when you use it on an electrical whatever. So to me, this reduces the quality of your incense. And also, I like the idea behind this and everything, but one thing about this hand incense burner is, I don't know if it's this brand, because this is the brand I used, or it's all the brands out there. So this is the brand, just in case you want to see. So I don't know if it is this brand or all the brands out there, but to me, this is one of the worst buys. Like, it's even the worst. It has ranked to the top of my worst purchase of this year. It's the worst purchase after that perfume I got. This is the worst purchase because it doesn't last at all. The battery does not last. It is just a waste of money as far as I'm concerned. Let's try. So to on it, you double click it. And guys, mind you, I charged this thing before starting this video, but it's still not showing like fully charged or whatever. So I just on it, and let's see how long it will take before it goes off. The last time I used it, it took 52 seconds to go off. The first day was 30 seconds. It's like it increases in seconds by the day. So let's see how many seconds today. So ideally, this is how you're supposed to use it. So your clothes will smell nice and your body smells nice too. It's lasting a little bit longer today. Interesting. So this is how it's supposed to be used. You don't have to do all the kabasa and all that. Guys, it's literally opened when I was doing it. I guess I didn't cover it well. Yeah, still working though. I didn't off it because I want to get the exact time we used it today. And voila, that's all. Yamutu shikera, that's all. And I have been charging it all day. That's all. So this is all I have to say in this video. Buying this is a waste of money. Use your kabasa. Use Buying this, as far as I'm concerned, is a waste of money. Use your kabasa. You can use your 15,000 to 18,000 to do something else. People sell this thing for 15,000 to 18,000. The least person I saw selling this is 13,500, I think. So they sell it for 15,000, 18,000, and it's a total waste of money. Buy kabasa and use. That is all I have. If you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Even if you did not enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.